Hello beta. Today we will solve few questions on applications of trigonometry. Question number 1 is, as observed from a lighthouse 100-meter high above the sea level, the angle of depression of a ship moving towards it changes from 30 degree to 60 degree. Determine the distance traveled by the ship during the period of observation. Now PC is the lighthouse whose height is 100 meters, and A and B are the positions of the ship, position of one ship that is moving from A to B. The angle of depression was 30 degree, so this angle will be 30 degree. This angle PBC will be 60 degree. Now let us say solution हो गया हमारा. Now angle PAC will be 30 degree and angle PBC will be 60 degree. अब बेटा शिप जो है A से B पर आया है, but we can't find this height AB directly. We always need a right angle triangle for this trigonometrical ratios. Now we will see, let us take, let AB is equal to X and BC is equal to Y. Now in triangle PBC, 100 upon BC, मतलब PC upon BC, which is 100 upon BC means Y is equal to tan 60, which is equal to √3. यहाँ से you will get Y is equal to 100 upon √3 meters. Second, in triangle, पूरा triangle लेंगे PAC, in which angle C is 90 degree. In triangle PAC, again PC upon AC is equal to, this was our X, ABX and BC was our Y. So PC upon AC means 100 upon X plus Y, which is equal to tan 30, which implies जो हमारे पास X plus Y आएगा, X plus Y will be tan 30 की वैल्यू आपके पास होती है 1 upon √3, तो it will be 100 √3 meters. Now we want to find AB. AB will be AC minus BC. X plus Y minus Y, which is equal to 100 √3 minus 100 upon √3. You can calculate this. This will be LCM √3. This is 300 minus 100, which is equal to 200 upon √3. Rationalize the denominator. 200 upon √3 into √3 upon √3. 200 √3 upon 3. Question में it is given to you √3 is 1.732. So you have to substitute this value. 200 into 1.732 upon 3. This will come out 346.4 upon 3, which is equal to 115.47 meter approximately. This is our distance traveled by the ship from A to B. Second question is, Question number 2 is a boy standing on a horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance of 100 meters from him at an elevation of 30 degrees. A girl standing on the roof of a 20-meter high building finds the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degrees. Both the boy and the girl are on the opposite sides of the bird. Find the distance of the bird from the girl. So let us take B is the position of the boy. Position of the boy. And G is the position of the girl. Position of the girl. And P is the position of the bird. Position of the bird. We have to find out GP, distance of G is girl, P is bird. Now, this is a 20-meter high building GH. Boy is standing on the horizontal plane and girl is on a 20-meter high roof. They are on the opposite side. BP is 100 meters. You have to find out GP. Now, you can take triangle PBQ. In triangle PBQ, PQ upon PB, PQ upon PB will be sin 30. तो sin 30 is 1 upon 2. यहाँ से PQ you can find PQ is equal to 100 into 1 upon 2 which is equal to 50 meters. Now PR आपके पास है PR जो है PR will be equal to PQ minus 20. GH is 20, RQ will also be 20. So 50 minus 20, it will be 30 meters. Now to find out PG in triangle PRG, you can find PG upon PR. PR upon PG, sorry. PR upon PG, which is equal to sin 45. PR आपके पास अभी आया 30 upon PG is equal to 1 by root 2. So PG is equal to 30 root 2 meters. This is our distance of the girl from the position of the bird. Next question number 3 is the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meters above the lake is 30 degree and the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud is C in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud. Now AB is the level. हमारे पास AB जो है वो C level है. ये AB की line, this is C level. The angle of depression, angle of elevation from P is C is the position of the cloud and C dash is its reflection. In this way, BC will be equal to BC dash because you know the image is as far behind the object as the object is in front of it. But the point P is above 60 meters. So let us take height is, first let us see कि BC will be equal to BC dash. You know, I have just told you कि this point of this distance from the this B point to the reflection is equal to the distance of the cloud. The image is as far behind the object as the object is in front of it. ये let solution BC is equal to BC dash, let it be, इसको हमने कैपिटल H ले लिया, तो PA is equal to 60 meter, MB will also be 60 meter, तो CM is equal to H minus 60 and C dash M will be H plus 60 meter. ये इसमें यही पॉइंट को ध्यान रखना है कैलकुलेट करने के लिए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के लिए. नाउ वी विल टेक ट्रायंगल CPM. In triangle CPM, CM upon PM is equal to tan 30, which is equal to 1 upon root 3. CM is our H minus 60 upon PM is equal to, let PM be x, PM मैंने x ले लिया यहाँ पर, is equal to 1 upon root 3. तो यहाँ से आपके पास आ गया x is equal to, this is x is equal to H minus 60 into root 3. X is equal to this. Now you will take triangle PMC dash. PMC dash. In triangle PMC dash, again perpendicular is C dash M. C dash M upon PM is equal to tan 60, which is equal to root 3. C dash M is H plus 60 upon X is equal to root 3. This is H plus 60 upon, instead of writing X, H minus 60 root 3 is equal to 3. After calculating this, you will get H plus 60 is equal to 3, this was root 3, 3H minus 180. ये रूट थ्री बन जाएगा, तो यू विल गेट नाउ 2H is equal to 240 and H is equal to 120 meter. Therefore, height of the cloud is 120 meter from the level, surface level.